In this lesson, I will show you how to install plugins and themes to your WordPress website. But before we do that, I would like to explain you the main difference between them. So themes are responsible for the design part of your website. Usually there are paid and free versions, and obviously paid versions have way more customization options compared to free versions. And at the time, you can only have one active theme. For this course, I'll be using theme which is called Astra, and I will show you how it works. And plugins are meant for adding new features and functionalities to your website. Unlike the themes, you can have as many active plugins as you need, and Elementor is going to be one of the plugins which we will use to create our website. So let's start by adding new theme. Let's go to appearance section, let's click themes, and right here you can see all themes which were installed already. So as you can see, we only have one active theme, and to add new you have to click right here and go to the search bar and type Astra. So this is the theme which we will be using. Just click install. Once the installation is complete, click activate, and as you can see, now we have theme Astra which is active, and automatically this theme was deactivated. So let's go and add a plugin, Elementor. So let's go to plugin section and let's click add new. From here, let's go to search bar and type Elementor. Let's select the first plugin and let's click install now. Alright, installation is complete, and let's click activate. So as you can see, this is the list of our active and inactive plugins. So as I mentioned you before, we can have as many active plugins as we need, unlike themes. Alright, let's go to add new section and let's install other plugin which will be used for our SEO. So you want to type in search bar SEO, and this is the plugin which we will use, and let's click install now. Alright, click activate, and as you can see, a new plugin was added to our list. Right now we will not do any changes to our SEO plugin. Later on I will show you what are the most important settings and how you can use it. So alright, this is how you add themes and plugins. So the main difference between themes and plugins is that themes are responsible for the design part of your website, and plugins are meant for adding new features and functionalities to your website.